Good morning, students. Yesterday, I gave an worksheet. The instrument used for measuring current is first one. The instrument used for measuring current is ammeter. Second one, the instrument used for measuring potential difference. Potential difference is voltmeter. When number of resistors are connected end to end such that tail end of one resistor is connected to another tail initial end of the another resistor so as to form a closed circuit, then the type of electric circuit is called series circuit. Listen once again. When the number of resistors are connected end to end such that take one end of the another resistor is connected to initial end of the other resistor so as to form a closed circuit, such a circuit is called series circuit. Question number 3. Series circuit. In series circuit, current in all resistors is same but not potential difference. In series circuit, potential difference is not constant but electric current is same. Question number 4. In series circuit, current in all resistors is the same but the potential difference is not same. In a series circuit, current in all resistors is the same but not the potential difference. In series circuit, current is same but potential difference is not same. It is the answer. When number of resistors are connected in such a way that the common positive terminal and a common negative terminal, the resistors are said to be connected in parallel. All positive terminals as common point, all negative terminals have same common point. The type of circuit is called parallel circuit. The type of circuit is called parallel circuit. Parallel circuit. Next, question number 6. In parallel circuit, in a parallel circuit, in a parallel circuit of resistors, R1, R2 and R3, the combined resistors, the combined resistance R is the combined resistance in a parallel circuit of resistors R1 and R2 and R3 combined resistance, and then R is, so here 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay. Next, question number 7. In parallel circuit, all resistors have same potential difference but not current. In a parallel circuit, all resistors have the same potential difference, the same potential difference, but different magnitude of current. But different magnitude of current. In a parallel circuit, all resistors have same potential difference but different magnitude of current. Okay. According to Ohm's law, question number 8. According to Ohm's law, according to Ohm's law, here we know that V equal to IR. From this we can write I equal to V by R. At the same time R equal to V by I. R equal to V by I. So what is the answer here? I equal to V by R. I equal to V by R is the answer. current of 1 ampere flows through a bulb at a potential difference of 200 volt. The resistance of the filament of bulb is the resistance of a filament of the bulb is. So here what is the given by system? Potential difference is given and the current is given. So here electric current I equal to 1 ampere. Potential difference V equal to here 200 volt. Potential difference V equal to 200 volt. Then find the resistance R equal to how much? Resistance R equal to how much? So we know that here V equal to from Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. V equal to IR. From this, our aim is to find the resistance. Therefore, R equal to V by I. V by I. And V equal to how much? 200 volt. 200 volt by 1 ampere. That equal to 200 ohm. It is the answer. We can write here simple. Therefore, R equal to 200 ohms. R equal to 200 ohms. R equal to 200 ohms. Next, question number 10. A resistor of 5 ohms is maintained at a potential difference of 12 volt. The current flowing through the resistor is flowing through the resistor is flowing through the resistor is. So here resistance R is given, R equal to 5 ohms, and the potential difference is 12 volt. So your resistance R equal to 5 ohms, potential difference V equal to 12 volt. Then find current I equal to from Ohm's law. V equal to IR, I equal to V by R. So here what is the V value? V equal to 12 by 5 ohms, that equal to 2.4 amperes. So electric current equal to 2.4 amperes. Electric current equal to 2.4 amperes. Okay. Next question number 11. A resistor of 15 ohms is maintain at a potential difference P. Potential difference P. If the current flowing through the resistors is 2.5 amperes. The value of P is, the value of P means a potential difference. The value of P means find the potential difference. Find the potential difference P. Find the potential difference P. So here electric current resistance is given. Resistance R equal to 15 ohms. Current equal to I equal here 2.58. The value of P is potential difference P equal to question mark. Potential difference P equal to, here V is nothing but Pm. So here V equal to IR. V equal to I R. So here V equal to P, that is potential difference. Here V equal to P is given. So here P equal to I equal to 2.5 into 15, that equal to 337.5 volt. Here P equal to 37.5 volt. It is the potential difference P. It is the potential difference P. Question number 12. Three resistors of 2 ohms, 6 ohms and 12 ohms are connected in series. The combined resistance will the resistors are connected in series. The combined resistance R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus 2 n resistors. But here R1 is given. R1 equal to 2 ohms, R2 equal to 6 ohms and R3 is given. Here R3 equal to 12 ohms. R3 equal to 12 ohms. Therefore, from the above equation, R equal to 2 ohms plus 6 ohms plus 12 ohms. That equal to 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 12, 20 ohms. The resistors are connected in series. Then combined resistance, the values are given. If R1 equal to R2 equal to 6 and R3 equal to 8, then R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to so on n resistors. So therefore R equal to 2 plus 6 plus 12 ohms, that equal to 20 ohms. That equal to 20 ohms. Next, question number 13. Three resistors of 24 ohms, 12 ohms and 8 ohms are connected in parallel. The combined resistance will be 8 ohms. Okay, the resistors are connected in parallel. Then combined resistance R 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. That equal to 1 by R equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 8. 1 by 8. What is the LCM between 8, 24 and 12? That equal to 24 is the LCM. 24 is the LCM. So 1 by R equal to 24 is the LCM. Here 1 time 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 24. That equal to 1 by R equal to 6 by 24. Therefore, R equal to 24 by 6. R equal to 24 by 6. 6 months here. 6 fours. 6 fours. Therefore, R equal to 4 ohms. R equal to 4 ohms. That means here more than 3. That means here more than 3. More than 3 ohms. More than 3 ohms is the answer. More than 3 ohms is the answer. Okay. Next, question number 14. Question number 14. The three resistors P, Q, and R. Three resistors P, Q, and R are connected in such a way that the combined resistance is less than any other individual resistors. The resistors are connected in parallel. The resistors are connected in parallel. Parallel circuit. Parallel circuit. Okay. Next question number 15. 4 resistors are given. Here P, Q, R and S are the resistors connected in such a way that the combined resistance is more than any one of the individual resistance. Any individual resistors. The resistors are connected in series circuit. Then the resistors are connected in series. The resistors are connected in series circuit. Okay, thank you.